What's the meaning of crabbed? Crabbed. Crabbed.
Crabbed. Crabbed. The word crabbed can have a few different meanings, but it generally refers to something that is difficult to read or unpleasant in nature. It can describe handwriting that is hard to decipher, as well as speech or behavior that is irritable or ill-tempered. In literature, it can refer to a style of writing that is complex and convoluted, making it hard to understand. Overall, crabbed implies something that is thorny or prickly, causing discomfort or annoyance to those who encounter it.